What's up, everybody? Welcome to video number 3 of the Peeps 191 Python video series. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to us. Right now I'm making Python videos. Also, thank you to everybody who watched our first video. It has 40 views in just 3 days. Without further ado, let's get started. And today we're learning about math operations like addition and subtraction that are all in the form of BEDMAS. So that's brackets, exponents, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's get started now. Hi. So first you're going to have to open your Python browser like this. So now let's first go over addition. Addition is fairly simple. Just type a number, the addition sign, and then another space, and then whatever number you like. Like in this case, I do enter, and 31 comes out. Same with subtraction, like any number, and then space, a dash, space. In Python, it'll just show up as the minus symbol, and then space. After you have the space, you type in the number you want, and then do enter. Multiplication and division, they're still pretty simple. So let's flip forward. Instead of multiplication, we're actually going to do the star. So that's going to be Shift 8. That gives you the star. So 4 star, which is just time. So 4 times, let's do 5. You see that 20 comes out. Now for division, it's space. It's actually do this. It's this like slash, and then space, and then the number, and it comes out. But also the cool thing is Python actually gives you like really good decimals. Like if I show you this, it gives like really exact decimals. Like, so you can actually use Python as your calculator. Like if I enter some huge number I don't even know about, and I do another huge. Also, your numbers can't contain words, and the numbers can't be strings. So look, it's really good. Now for exponents, it's your number, so it's 5, and then it's actually 2 stars. So you can see it's 2 stars, and then a 3 for my case. So then if you don't know what exponents are, it's basically this number multiplied by itself 3 times. So it's 5 times 5 times 5, which gives you 125, and you think about it, and you have this, which basically means like to the power of 3. Click enter, you do get 125. Now brackets are fairly easy. They're just the actual like thing, but with like actual brackets. So like in this case, you get 3 times 4, which is 7. Also for brackets, they're always going to have that thing. So I'll show you again. Before you see, it's kind of going to get shaded, right? This part. And then you do whatever you think you want, like this. So it basically, so you first do this thing in the brackets, and then you multiply it by 2. So that's how you use the bracket. Also, you can also do this. So it's like you can actually use the print function we talked about in the last video, but just don't use it as a string. You're gonna just enter it like 3 plus 7 or anything, and enter. It's gonna put the amount back in. So I hope that teaches you a little bit about basic math operations in Python. And don't forget our next video. Actually, for the next video, I might actually upload how to open it, because my screen recording actually glitched when I was trying to record it. So then after that, like the next tutorial video, I'll tell you about placeholders. So in video 1, I told you a little bit about it, not that much. If you figured about that video's probably, if you figure out how like the example I told you in video 1 worked out, then the next tutorial video should be for you. Or you can watch how to open IDLE if you're having some troubles. So that's for this video, and see you next time.